Hello. Okay, so today I wanted to share a tutorial about what I did to regrow and restore my hair from broken off edges. So just to give you a brief synopsis, I had locks. I will provide a picture of the locks. The longer they grew, it was more tension and stress on my edges, like around here. I've always pretty much had hair, I guess you can say, is different textures all over, but the side had, I don't want to say it's thin, but like say if the middle of your hair is like a C, and then around here is more like a B-ish. So it's that going on. So what ended up happening was, this thing recording? Okay, we still recording. Like I said, it broke off. And yes, check my bonnet out. Got a bonnet collection. ThriftyVirgoLefty.com. Period. Anyway, so getting back into the video. So I had some herbs sitting around. I did a little bit of research. And to grow it back, for one, I decided to cut my hair down some, because I think I was still undecided, but then I ended up just cutting them off and starting over. I had them for like almost 7 years. That's a whole nother video. I think I did one on it. I'm not rehashing that, but anyway, so I'm going to put in a picture of the thinning. It was just so bad, like up in there, girl. It looked, and I had a nerve to do an updo in the video for the picture I'm going to show you. I think I got the same shirt on. Okay, so anyway, I decided to use some nettle leaf. I already had some in my closet, and I mean, I had tea that I was drinking. I was like, well, let me, research some herbs or whatever. So that's what I did. Looked at that, and then I already had some rosemary. I use rosemary sometimes in my natural products, and I will start sharing my natural products soon. But anyway, let's get into the video. I need to mix some more anyway, so perfect timing. Why not? So to make mine, what I did was, this is like a 4-ounce jar. This 4-ounce jar made me one of these, I believe. It might be 1.5, but this is what I'm going to do. This is what's going on. Of course, you can use a spoon. You can pour it in there. As long as you get in there, it really doesn't matter. So for this container, I pretty much just filled it up as much as I could with the product. This is for me. That's why I'm not using gloves. I'm not doing all no extra stuff. So that's good for right now. This is just a demonstration. I will, of course, be using it for my hair, because, like I said, I have this left over. And I used grapeseed oil for my original one. I will start venturing off using olive oil and grapeseed oils just to see, because honestly, it really is not about the oil. It's about the ingredients. So for this, I'm going to add my avocado oil, because this is the only oil I could get my hands on right now. So fill her up pretty good. And then my rosemary, I want to say I added like 10 drops of rosemary. A little extra in there. Anyway, so on my spoon, you can mix it up. This one right here is going to need more oil after I mix it. But anyway, I'm going to add some more oil to her, because I want the oil to be at the top. And it smells really good. It smells like rosemary. If anything, it's a little strong. If it's not to your liking, you can always add like an essential oil to it. Lavender, lemon, orange, whatever your preference is. And I'm gonna show you how I use it to put on my hair. You know, I gotta love y'all. But anyway, this is how it's gonna look. And because I'm using it in a little plastic jar, I'm going to let this sit for about 2 weeks. I'm gonna do a week. I'm gonna do a week this time. I'm gonna let it sit for a week, 7 to 10 days preferably, and just let it sit somewhere where it's, you know, a lot of sunlight or whatever, and all that good stuff is gonna mix up. And I might actually come back after this one is done and, you know, squeeze it with a cheesecloth and show you what I go through, whatever, to extract that. But if you need it faster, you can use I guess you can use a mason jar. Follow the same instructions. Boil the use a double boiler method, and just sit that jar inside some water and let it boil on low for maybe about 15-20 minutes if you don't have the time, because I still have some product and this is what I've been using for like the last month or so. So okay, you know I love y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you my hair. And if you go look on that picture, it's the same exact side. See, girl, I got hair. All this right here, it was like all of this was gone. You know what I'm saying? So my hair has grown back. It's healthy, all of the things. And if you want to look on the other side, you can see both of them has about the same amount of hair. And what I started doing was every week I would wash my hair and re-braid it. I've been using, I've been making wigs to, you know, wigs that I like to put on my head or whatever. Because it's cold here in the winter or whatever. But anyway, to apply this to my hair, I always wash my hair once a week. And when I wash it, I have my own special, the body wash that I shared on my channel, and I probably link that below, put it in the description box somewhere. Hold on, let me see, I might have some in here. Ooh. So, yep, I got some in here. I actually made this on my channel, and I use this to wash my hair as well, so you might want to check that out. And I will, once it gets to like at least 500 views, I'll go ahead and share the actual amount of measurements. But this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and share the measurement, because girl, we need this for our hair out in these streets, you know, for women that, you know, suffer from a lot of different things going on. So of course you want your hands to be clean, on clean hair, and I just work it in my problem area. And actually I do this every day, at least once or twice a day. And I just go ahead and do it my whole edge, girl, because you can't go no wrong with having healthy edges. But anyway, you gotta be real careful when it comes to your edges. Preserve your edges, because you really don't get that many. Be good to them, they'll be good to you. And pretty much that's it. Yeah, if you got any questions about the product, again, I am not a doctor. I am not a I'm just a girl that studies and know a few things about herbs. So with that being said, I use rosemary, I use oil, your oil of choice. Today I use avocado because that's what I had on hand, and I use my nettle leaf. And I will link the link. I bought this from Amazon, so I had that for a while. The rosemary, I want to say I bought that oil from Walmart or something, but I'm going to start making my own rosemary. I started making my own different oils, and I'll come back and share a video on that soon as well. But thank you so much. I hope this is very helpful to you. Yes, girl, you know, you can part it down and do, you know, do what it is that you need to do. But my main area was here. So I'm put my bonnet back on, girl. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time.